guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and I'm here with my mom, Kathy, and today we made a soap cake, and we're sorry we didn't make a video last week. We were busy at our booth at the Buckley Public Market.
And we want to thank everybody that came to our booth and showed up last weekend for our grand opening. Thank you so much. And we're going to show you today how we made this beautiful cake here. It's really cute little cake. And now I piped it, and now I made the base first, and then I piped it over here. And I think I'm going to have this on the market for Mother's Day special. It's really cute. It just needs to be fixed a little bit because I didn't have a good knife when I had to cut it. And before we go and start soaping, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up so we can make more videos for you. Thank you very much for watching, and let's go and make some soap cake.
Let's get soaping!
Okay, hi everyone, this is Kathy, and today I'm going to make a cake, a soap cake for Mother's Day. And it's going to have in my usual recipe that if you follow our channel, you know what I use most of the time. And it's olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and almond oil. Okay, so I have 2 micas in here that I'm going to be coloring the top with. This one over here actually is going to be a swirl with the titanium dioxide. It's going to lighten it up the top. It's going to be in the port swirl, and I'm going to use this really cool mix of color that I have here, and it's Aqua Pearl Mica and Rustic Essential Almost Ice Mica. And then I have this one over here that has a purple mica, and what is it, the other one, Kelsey?
Coral mica.
And coral mica from Rumbleberry, and it makes this really cute color, really nice color. It's a beautiful color. All right, so Kelsey has to keep me in touch and in check here because it's late at night and I'm kind of tired. So sorry about my weird talking there. Then I'm gonna put some beautiful fragrance oil here, and it's called the Baby Rose from Rumbleberry. It smells so beautiful. And I'm going to put a little bit of colloidal oatmeal in here. In fact, I'm going to do it right now in my oils. Just a little bit. And then we're going to put some beautiful coconut milk too in there. This is organic, non-GMO coconut milk that makes the soap so wonderful. And I forgot to tell you guys, but I also put some sodium lactate in here. That's really good for your skin. It's a humectant, and also makes the soap bar nice and hard. It lasts longer. Okay, so let me go and I'm gonna mix my oat flour, colloidal oatmeal, and I'll see you in a jiffy. Okay, so at this point I am gonna mix. I'm going to mix this beautiful coconut milk in here. I'm going to do it now because there's a little bit of chunks in there, and I want to mix them up really well. So I don't want to mix them up with the lye after the lye, you know, when it's rich to trace, because then it's going to get, you know, really thick, the batter, and I don't like that. So let's do that. I actually do this a lot, and it comes out really, really beautifully. Now that I've blended my coconut milk and my colloidal oatmeal in my oils, I'm going to put in my beautiful lye solution so that we can make beautiful soap. And there we go. Alright, so let's see how we're going to blend this. Going to blend this in a little bit. I'm going to blend this a little bit, and I'll come back to you when it's ready to put the other stuff in. Okay, now I'm going to split this butter in about 2 equal parts. I'm going to eyeball it because I want to do different colors in there. And let's see. Almost equal. Let's find out. Okay, so I split the batter in two parts, almost equal parts. So I'm gonna do one in a purple, in this beautiful purple shade here. I'm gonna move this over here, put it over here, and we're gonna do the purple first, right here. Because the bottom of the cake is going to be purple. A beautiful, kind of like a pink. Not a pink, but like, you know, on the pink side. That's what I mean. Rosa, we say in Italian. And you guys know, but I'm from Italy and I do speak Italian. And I like to say my colors in Italian sometimes. And sometimes, you know, when I ever get mad, I cuss in Italian. And my family knows that. And I come from the southern part of Italy. I can't talk tonight. I'm so tired. But anyway, there we go. And we're going to just blend it a little bit. Just a little. Okay. Okay, so now that I have my fragrance oil and everything in there, and then I forgot, I just mixed it up. I am going to do the first layer. This is the first layer. I'm going to scrape this because I want a little bit on the top. Side. I'm going to do the top layer. Okay, the top layer is going to have a little bit of a in the pot swirl. I'm going to put a little bit in this container here. We're going to do a white mix in this one. So we're going to put the rest of the fragrance oil in here. And we're going to mix it up. Okay, now I'm going to make this little one over here. I'm going to put some nice, this beautiful color in here. See if I can do it by hand because I don't think my blender can go in here. And I have a little blender, but I don't want to use it. Okay, so now that I have this one mixed in, I'm going to do kind of like in the pot swirls. Seems like my pot here is a little bit kind of weird. I don't want to mix it too much. I'm going to leave some for outside. Ooh, look at that. Pretty interesting. Wow, that's pretty cool. What do you think, else? Pretty nice, huh? And it's kind of getting thick already, so I'm gonna move really fast. Finish this part here. And I'm gonna bang it a little bit on the table. nice. I'm gonna start piping little rosettes on that. My batter is kind of, piping batter is here is a little bit stiff, but it's working really nicely. Right, Kelsey?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit different than real batter. But this new recipe, wow, I like this a lot better. It's kind of really nice and kind of creamy. Wow, that's pretty nice. Alright, there it is. Close up of the cake. Very close. It's so close. Okay, and there you go. I choose those two colors because those are my favorite colors. And I love them for Mother's Day. I think this is going to be a beautiful cake. Alright, so see you guys in a couple of days for cutting the cake. Alright. Alrighty then. Bye-bye. See you in a second actually. Bye. Alright, here we are back and we're gonna cut our beautiful cake. It looks really pretty. There we go. Let's see if we can do this. Alright. So I hope I don't win. Alright, I managed to cut it with my cutter and the knife. In fact, I'm going to take a piece and show you guys what it looks like from really close. And I know if my camera focuses a little bit, I don't know. But here it is. It's pretty. It's very pretty, especially in person. If you look at it, it's very, very pretty. And sparkles, has really beautiful sparkles.
Alright, so this is the soap cake up close. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And we hope to see you in the next video.